Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to enable vanish mode on your Instagram. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Instagram app. After opening our Instagram app, we'll be welcomed in the home page. Here in the home page on the top right corner, here you'll be able to see a heart icon, and right beside that you'll be able to see message icon. Here you'll have to tap on the message icon. After tapping on the message icon, here you will be able to see all the chats that you have. After that, tap on the chat that you want to enable vanish mode on. After you have tapped on the chat, here you'll be able to see all the conversation that you had with this particular person. Now to enable vanish mode on Instagram, you'll need latest update on Instagram. After that, from the very bottom, you'll have to swipe up. And as you can see, the vanish mode has been enabled. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to enable vanish mode on Instagram. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.